Your smoker's built-in thermometer is lying to you. After destroying hundreds of dollars in brisket and ribs with inaccurate readings, I tested every major thermometer to find which ones deliver perfect doneness every time. The worst were off by over 50 degrees. The champion? Its probes are accurate within 1 degree and connect to your phone from anywhere. Never serve dry, overcooked meat again. These are the only 5 thermometers worth trusting. Starting at number 1. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a waterproof digital food probe ideal for various types of cooking, including outdoor grilling, baking, deep frying, and candy making. With its advanced technology, it provides highly accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. It has a large, easy-to-read dial with a bright blue backlight, and it comes pre-calibrated with a recalibrating feature if needed. The thermometer is water-resistant and can be washed and cleaned under running water. It comes in an elegant foam-lined box, making it a perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast or professional. Number 2. ThermoMaven Wireless Meat Thermometer. The ThermoMaven G1 thermometer offers an easy and efficient way to monitor your cooking. With its smart display base, you can track real-time temperatures and set your desired cooking levels without needing any apps. The reliable sub-1G connectivity allows you to keep an eye on your food from up to 3,000 feet away, giving you the freedom to enjoy time with friends or family. With NIST-certified accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 6 sensors, you can be confident that your meals are perfectly cooked every time. Plus, its high heat resistance and waterproof design ensure durability and easy cleanup after cooking. Number 3. ThermoPro Digital Cooking Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP16 is an accurate cooking thermometer designed for meat, oven, smoker, or stovetop. It features a cook mode with USDA preset temperature settings and programmable alerts. The thermometer has a high accuracy and can withstand temperatures up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. The device is easy to operate with a 6.5-inch stainless steel probe and 40-inch mesh cable. It also has a magnetic back for easy storage and a hanging hole for kitchen hooks or a lanyard. Number 4. ThermoPro TP19H Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP19H digital meat thermometer features a large auto-rotating backlit display, motion-sensing sleep-wake, and a 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with high accuracy of plus or minus 0.9. It is IP65 waterproof and has convenient storage with a magnetic back and a hang hole for hooks. Additionally, it has a lock function to lock the temperature on the display and a calibration function to keep your temperature probe always accurate. Number 5. ThermoMaven Meat Thermometer. The ThermoMaven Meat Thermometer is designed to enhance your cooking experience with its impressive features. It offers NIST-certified accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your meats are cooked perfectly every time. With a high-quality thermocouple sensor, this thermometer provides temperature readings in just 1 second, eliminating any guesswork. The upgraded LED screen is exceptionally bright, making it easy to read in any lighting while grilling or cooking outdoors. Plus, its 100% waterproof design means you can confidently handle spills and splashes without worry, making cleanup quick and simple. To protect your next brisket and achieve perfect results every time, links to all 5 top-rated thermometers are waiting in the description. If this test saved your barbecue, please like the video, share it with your smoking crew, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for our next review where we test the most overhyped wood chips against basic oak. Thanks for watching.